कभी सोचा है मिट्टी कब रोती है? जब पानी उसे छोड़ देता है, जब हवा उसे उड़ा ले जाती है और हर 5 सेकंड में एक फुटबॉल फील्ड जितनी जमीन बस गायब हो जाती है। बट hope often begins in silence, in a lab, with someone who believes lost soil can be saved. What this really means is he's trying to solve one of India's biggest geotechnical problems: expansive soil. The kind of soil that swells, shrinks, cracks, and falls under structures. And he is doing this the eco-friendly way. His idea is simple but powerful. Take waste from the marble industry and a natural byproduct like molasses and use them to heal the soil. He started by asking the soil its biggest truth: how much it swells when water finds it. In the free swell test, the answer was clear. With marble dust and molasses, the soil finally learned to stay calm. Then came the consistency checks, the liquid and plastic limits, to see how workable and stable the soil really is. Next, the compaction test revealed the ideal moisture and density the soil needs to stay strong. And the CBR test proved it could finally handle heavy loads. The magic ratio then came about: 81% soil, 15% marble dust, and 6% molasses. Ready for real-world subgrade use. It's cheaper, greener, and it turns industrial waste into a solution.
जो हमारी कहावत है कि मिट्टी हमारी माँ है, इसे हमें सार्थक करना है।